Start na ng tag-ulan at mahamog na sa Tagaytay. Pumunta kami dito sa restaurant na napakaraming magagandang reviews sa TikTok. Pero ganun ba talaga kaganda ang experience o sugar-coated lang? Uy, kain na. Sabay ka sa amin and become a fat finder too. Sobrang daming choices ng kainan dito sa Tagaytay. Nakita namin itong restaurant na ito na trending at ang daming positive videos from TikTok. Kaya naman naisipan at pumunta kami dito sa bagong RSM La Terraza Restaurant na inopen noong January 2024. Pero bago kami makapunta sa place, kakilakilabot na heavy traffic ang tiniis namin. Ilan sa mga in-order namin ay ang mga sumusunod: bagoong fried rice, tinumok, kare-kare, pansit canton, lechon sisig, sinigang na sugpo, beef kansi, calamares, sweet and sour maya-maya, and creamy pesto. Umabot ang service charge namin ng 1,640 pesos. Service charge pa lang yon. Overall, ito yung comments namin based sa aming experience. For parking, malaki ang parking space nila at free naman ito. For the place, it's somewhere in between okay to nice kasi ambiance is good, malamig, open air, but the view is great. For the food naman, medyo mainit pa naman yung food nung naserve sa amin. The price is really not friendly for those na looking for budget food. Tapos yung lasa ng food nila normal lang, nothing special for that price. Parang hindi sulit. The place is pet friendly. Surprisingly, smoking inside the premises is allowed. Yung crew naman sa experience namin ay accommodating. They don't accept reservations, not a PWD or senior citizen friendly since they don't have ramps. They accept cash, GCash, and credit cards. So, bill reveal na. Ang total expense namin sa food find na ito ay almost 19,000 pesos. And that's it, finders. Bye-bye!